Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video. I'm here with updates on the North Atlantic. We have defeated tropical depression IOTA, which is about to emerge into the eastern Pacific, as well as those two areas of disturbed weather highlighted in yellow. Will they develop into tropical cyclones and acquire the names KAPPA and LAMBDA? Well, this video will cover all that you need to know about these tropical systems, but before I go into details, please do subscribe if you haven't and tap the bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is Weather Girl Dani, and my personal account is Dani Henry Official, and you can join my Discord server. The link to that is in the description of this video. Okay guys, so first we want to talk about IOTA. So at this time it is just on that borderline right there of Honduras and El Salvador, and it is moving to the west-southwest at 13 miles per hour. So it's expected to become post-tropical very soon, and then it could just dissipate into a remnant low in the eastern Pacific. But of course it's going to be lingering around for a little more time, so it is going to be enhancing the rainfall across portions of Central America, guys. So it's not that it is just going to just go away like that. There is still a bit of the storm left to actually go over land, and then everything will emerge into the eastern Pacific. And so guys, now to these disturbances. So at this time, this tropical disturbance is given a low 20% chance of development through the next 5 days. And actually guys, you're not seeing the X because that low pressure area has not yet developed, but as soon as it does, we will see that X to show where it is. But it will be somewhere in the vicinity of that shaded yellow region. And so guys, it is possible that this could that the disturbance will acquire some subtropical developments, because this is usually the time of year when everything is started to cool down, where we start to see these subtropical cyclones form in the North Atlantic, and they come on quite quickly sometimes as well. So guys, we have to pay attention to this as time goes by, because it is definitely possible that we have some development here. And the next names to be used are KAPPA and LAMBDA. And now to that Caribbean disturbance. So this time it is also given a low 20% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone, and the chances actually decreased because it was at 40% and now it's down to 20%. So that means that there are doubts in this one developing. So it is possible that it could still develop, but there are some doubts. But regardless, it is going to be a rainmaker to portions of Central America and Colombia. Those areas were impacted by IOTA while it was making its way through, and so here is something that is really going to be helping to enhance the rainfall there. Again, very unfortunate situation. And so guys, if you're in any of those areas, please take necessary precautions and stay safe, especially when it comes on to that very heavy rainfall. And so guys, now let us look at the favorability for this to develop. And so here we have the wind shear map, and the reds mean unfavorable shear, the yellows mean neutral, and the greens mean favorable. And you see that in the South Caribbean we do have some favorable and neutral shear, but the thing is that going to persist? Because if we have mostly the unfavorable shear really starting to set in, then chances will definitely be unlikely for this to develop, because this is a huge inhibiting factor when it comes on to a tropical cyclone developing. When there is that strong shear, that is really not going to be aiding in its development. And so now to the ocean temperature map, and you see that in terms of ocean temperatures, the Caribbean is definitely very favorable at this time for development. But of course there is that unfavorable shear, so we have to consider all the factors when it comes on to a tropical cyclone developing. So in terms of ocean temperatures, as I said, very favorable, and if there was that favorable shear, then we will see that chance increase for that tropical system. But of course, fortunately, that's not the case, guys. And so guys, we really have to pay attention to these two disturbances as time goes by. And so guys, if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weather wise. I'll keep giving updates on the tropics as time goes by.